Should you buy a dashcam? Do you really need to spend extra bucks just for a camera? Yes, you should. Dashcams are very useful contraptions that may seem like a costly investment in the beginning, but they actually help drivers save money in case of hit and runs, traffic tickets, vehicle accidents, and many more. Even if you have a perfect driving record, the road is an unexpected place and you just never know when you need the extra protection to show your insurance company or the authorities. In this video, we are going to show you not one, not two, but a 3-channel dashcam from VIOFO, a Chinese company that has been a competitive force in the dashcam market since its inception in 2011. With many dashcam options to choose from, and factors such as price range, quality, battery, and size to consider, it can be disorienting to pick the right one for you. But no worries, as we go along this video, we're going to show you the specs, pros, and cons of T130, one of VIOFO's 3-channel dash cameras available in the market. Without further ado, let's get to it. From the get-go, what you get is an all-black apparatus with cylindrical and cubical shapes. This is a 3-channel cam so you can monitor your car's front, rear, and interior. If you look at the T130, the front and rear cameras are tiny, with the rear being the tinier one, so it will blend into your car effortlessly whether you choose to stick it lower or higher on the windshield. The build is robust and dignified, so it's a sleek addition to the interior of your car. To record what's happening in front of your car, the T130 offers 2K resolution at 30 frames per second. You can also adjust it in 2 directions, up and down, so that you get your preferred angle. Now we see you 4K fans raising your eyebrows out there. But 2K is a perfectly usable resolution for everyday needs. Also, don't forget that with higher resolutions, you need more storage as it will fill your SD card faster. That could still be an extra unwelcomed expense. Liking our content so far, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notifications. We provide tech-related content that is relevant and interesting, so make sure to watch out for future videos. On the other hand, to capture your vehicle's interior, you get a resolution of 1080p FHD at 30 frames per second. You can also pan it towards the driver's side window just in case you want to capture a conversation occurring on that side. The front and rear camera is integrated with Sony's StarVis sensor. For those of you who are not familiar, StarVis is currently a hot choice among manufacturers due to its impeccable performance. This allows you to capture crisp footage even in low illumination and questionable situations. As for the interior camera, an Omnivision sensor is in order. To be precise, the front camera is 5 megapixels with Sony IMX335 sensor. The interior camera is 2 megapixels with Omnivision OS02C10 sensor, and the rear camera is 2 megapixels with Sony StarVis IMX307 sensor. As for the lens angles, you get 140 degrees at the front, 165 degrees for the interior, and 165 degrees at the rear. Pretty functional and handy if you ask us. You can also run a cable to the main unit to power the static camera, which is useful in cases like accidents or tailgating. If you're intrigued about where you can get VIOFO T130, check out the link in the description below. Right out of the box, you get the following inclusions: all cameras, a USB car charger, a cable and adapter, sticker mounts, trim removal tool, SD adapter, windshield stickers, and a warranty card. If you want to go the extra mile, then we recommend that you check out VIOFO's other accessories. They have fantastic stuff like remote controls and a polarizing lens to reduce glare. More on the features, T130 does not have a screen. It's not a hefty compromise because this allows you less distractions and an already installed unit looks unobtrusive. However, while this is not a deal breaker, you'd have to go the long route to view and download footage along with adjusting other settings. There are 2 units to install, the combined front and interior camera plus the rear camera. One thing we're not completely sold on though is that you still have to purchase, that is if you don't have one yet, a hardwire kit so that you can use the parking mode even when the engine is off. That's another $15. Do you think this is worth it, or is VIOFO pulling stunts with its users? We'd love to know your thoughts, so comment them down below. T130 supports up to 256GB, but since it records 3 channels simultaneously, settle for at least 128GB if you're not going to max it out. This dashcam has a built-in microphone, excellent for recording audio. This is why this product is advertised towards rideshare drivers. You never know when you need that solid evidence to support your case. The microphone can record audio for all 3 channels, but you can change that setting using the companion app. Aside from the microphone, you can also find a few buttons on the T130, such as the power, toggle button, and Wi-Fi connectivity button. To set up this dashcam, you only need about 20 minutes of your time and you're all set. As we've shared earlier, you also get some static stickers with the box. This is very useful if you're temporarily transferring the dashcam to, say, a rental car. You can attach it securely without leaving some nasty marks on the windshield. The cameras are powered by a 12-volt cigarette lighter connector. While you can install the cameras yourself, you can also opt for professional help at an additional cost. As mentioned a few minutes ago, once you decide to purchase the hardwire kit, you have access to a 24/7 parking mode that gives your vehicle extra protection from accidents and burglars while it's parked. VIOFO's companion app lets you view saved clips even if you're not in the car. And did we forget to mention that you can also monitor your car's battery using the camera connected to the app? If the camera detects that your battery level is low, then it shuts itself off. Of course, you can manually configure your preferences for this feature. About the app, you get a generous level of customizability here. You can adjust video resolution, exposure, bitrate, and G-sensor sensitivity. One issue we have with VIOFO is that firmware updates are not transferable from the app, even with Wi-Fi connectivity. In fact, they don't even update you if an update is already available. So you still have to manually check their website, pop out the SD card from the camera, run the updates on your computer where the card is connected, and pop it in right again. For only $240, you get all of these features in one powerful set. If you are a rideshare driver, the built-in microphone and interior recording is a good precautionary measure for rude and abusive passengers. If you are a new user or someone looking to upgrade your current model, the 3-channel system for this price is a worthy investment that will save you more in cases of accidents. We think that bumping up the price could get you a 4K camera, but as we've said, this is already perfect for everyday use. And that's a wrap for today's video. What are your final thoughts about VIOFO's T130 DashCam? Is it worth your money, or should you spend your money elsewhere? Let us know in the comments below. It is undeniable that dashcams are increasingly becoming an essential tool for road safety. Owning one helps you achieve peace of mind that if something goes wrong, even when your car is parked, you have evidence to show the authorities or your insurance provider. VIOFO's T130 is a 3-channel dashcam, so you're protected from the front, back, and even inside. If you want to receive more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Turn on the notification bell and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you next time!